Hello there. I've been working, or rather, let me say we've been working, but I don't even know. About 40 minutes to 1 hour, I guess. About 40 minutes to 1 hour. We met a hunter on the way, but I was not able to capture that. So now, the hunter directed us, or rather gave us directions to where we are going to where the water where the water is flowing from, all the way down to the remaining floors. So, that's where I'm going now. Or rather, that's where we are going, and this is where we left behind. They are building a church right there, all the way down there. But I mean, it looks how do I explain it? It's a normal practice here to have churches on mountain, and then I mean this particular mountain, it's so high to bring materials that are needed all the way down here. It's tough. I'm not gonna lie, but I mean it's done. So that's that. So finally some shade out of the sun. I need some water. I'm thirsty actually. I'm so thirsty, but I'm gonna be fine. I'll still survive. Man, I didn't see that. What the hell? This guy gave up along the way, but now, but now he's back here. Onward to the mission. Onward to the mission. We've been walking for a long time now. I mean, if you were on a straight floor, in a straight path rather, you wouldn't dare walk this much. But because what we are doing is hiking and exploration, that's why we are here. We keep on going. We don't stop. By the way, there's a surprise all the way up. You see it when we get there. We've started descending from the mountain. That means we've reached the peak of this mountain and now we are descending. Literally, you see that we are actually descending now. You're on the descending path now.
But if you panic, you can just like, if you don't like.
We've crossed the hardest part. We are just on our descent now, literally. Our descent. Let's go. Let's fucking go. They call this the mission impossible, but for us, it is possible. And we're gonna get it done. We are gonna get it done. Apparently, we're at a crossroad now. Now, I don't wait for anybody. This is one road. This is one road.
This goes down.
They say, row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream. Row, row, row your... This bro is doing something. I think he's trying to make sure that there is water here. There is water here, but we don't know yet anyway.
Blow it.
Okay, so just did here.
Down there. But I find him like, no go even quick no self. You no go even quick no self.
This thing before you know go don't reach everywhere.
You go don't enter your. We stand back. We can't go forward. We couldn't go forward because we're not sure. It doesn't make sense. That's just it. It doesn't make sense. But I mean, it's painful, but it is what it is. We are going all the way up now to go to the surprise I mentioned earlier, which we are still going to see. Ekusha, mama. Erama. Yes.
Yes, ma'am. This is the first time.
First civilization encounter for the past over 2 hours, to be honest.
Almost 3 hours like this.
I'm so tired. But then they said we should continue forging ahead. So here we go. We're on our way. Let's go. Bolele. I had to go there again and I asked me how to go. And these are abandoned houses. Or rather abandoned huts. Oh, I don't think they're abandoned. People still live here. She's singing. People still live up here, and this is the surprise. People are living all the way up here. I call hello. I be a cousin. It's a whole town right here, and that's an ancient pounding stone. I believe that's a pounding stone. I will call this thing here. I don't know the English name, but it's used to burn coal faster. It burns coal very, very quickly, or it makes it light up very quickly. Echo yes. People still live here till now, and yes, they do go all the way down. Echo
Malik.
I don't even know what those are. I think those are palm kernels. I'm finally here. I know Jim about. I'm in Ekiti apparently from Osun State. You know, see, wait till you walk out. You know, small. I swear.
So if I go like I do like this.
Puppy.
We have papers.
I want lion lewo loju. Lion.
I don't die.
Lion.
So if I go, I do it like this. I will just pass this place.
Straight like this. Pelumodo.
I do it.
How does the fair tree now? I want to go without now.
Ah.
You know where you go. Local kitchen.
Another 15 minutes.
But not really special. Seriously.
We have finally made it to the first floor, the two of us, and this this is not where we are where we took our ascent, but this is where we took our descent. Imagine how slopey this is. It's so slopey and goes all the way up. You have to come forward the way up there. I think we are natural climbers. I think we are natural. That's what we are. We are natural climbers. We come all the way from up there. We got all the way down here. And when I have my walking stick with me here, so I don't know when I'm going to give it yet, or when I'm going to give him yet. But now that's gender. It's a him. So I don't know when I'm going to give my walking stick yet. But I'm going to find one name to give it because it really helped me. So peace out. See you later. I'm going to go take a dip anyway.